Everything changed in 1979 with the tragic death of Raymond Washington. He was found gunned down right in front of his childhood crib on East 64th Street. Rumors quickly spread that the Hoovers were responsible. Although no one was officially charged with his murder, this created a mass divide in South Central. The East Side Crips, who remained loyal to Raymond, immediately disowned the Hoovers. But not everyone followed suit. The West Side Crips, and at the time, the Main Street Crips, decided to stick with the Hoovers, creating a tight alliance.